Hello, I am going to be playing Slime Laboratory. This was the game I always ran to on Coolmath Game, or the games in general. While others were playing that, that Run, I think the game is called Run. This is the game I played, and I wasn't very good at it, actually. So, let's get into it. I'm going to have to shout, because I know that I bought a mic, it didn't work, I can't return it anymore. I hope I can sell it. I think it's this laptop, you can't connect anything to it, it's always a problem. But I hope you can hear me, so let's get into it. I cannot keep up this voice the whole way through. Not sure if you could hear it, but I'm shouting. No, I'm not shouting, I'm speaking very loudly in hopes that you could hear me, which is such a shame. Oh well. So let's play. Okay, as I said, I'm not very good at this game and games in general, so I will be dying a lot. That is for sure. It may even take me like an hour to finish this. Actually, more than an hour. Okay, so good so far. Step onto the checkered spot to complete the level. Okay, one level down, I don't know how many more to go, but that one wasn't too bad. I want to turn on the fan, but if I do that I have to shout. I'll just do it on the lowest level. I hope that is okay. Okay, next level. Absorb slime to get bigger. Check your size on the slime-o-meter. Yes, I do remember this. I do remember this. Bigger you are, higher you can jump. Oops, I was already up there. Okay. To restore your size or by big slime. Checkpoint will respawn your slime. Yes, I need these checkpoints because the amount of times I was dying. Come on, go off. Oh, yes. Pretty sure I died a few times on these too somehow. Oh, I remember this. I think it took me a while to actually do this right. Let's hope I don't need to spend that long on this. Okay, now, no. Yes, now. No. Was it this way I need to go? Oops. No, it's definitely this way. Come on. Okay. Maybe. Now. No. This is going to take a lot of my time, isn't it? Yes. No. Come on. Now. No, that should have worked. Okay, maybe I need to do something here. How do I do this? Okay, maybe I need to do... And this! Is that what I was meant to do? Yes! I would have spent ages doing that other thing. This must be annoying. Let me move out of the way. Oops. When the slime-o-meter is full, you can destroy walls. Ooh, okay. I didn't even press anything, or maybe I did. How do you destroy this wall? Okay, you just push against it, that makes sense. No, I missed one disc, floppy disk, I think they're called. I really hope you hear me more than a whisper. Be sure not to fall into the purple acid. I'll be sure to fall multiple times into the purple acid. Jump! Oh, that was a pretty high jump. Jump! No! Yep, as I said. Jump! Jump! Okay, I should have waited for it to get there. I don't know why I didn't wait. Oh, right. Can't get any bigger. I'm sure getting bigger would have helped. Jump! I didn't even touch the acid. Jump! Yeah, I forget it does that. Okay, I'm just gonna wait and jump! 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 Made it. I didn't collect those discs, and I think I was meant to. I think I was meant to be big, but it worked either way. Yeah, there's the disc up there too. Oh well. Oh well. Avoid the deadly laser. I'm surely not gonna do that for the first time. Or maybe I will. This doesn't seem hard to if I was close. Or should I go for that disc? No, stop pausing. Okay. No. I was so close. I know I should have gone that. Okay. No, that was close. Okay, now jump. Now, yes. Done and dusted. If I don't make any mistakes. Wait, do you think I could go up this? I'm just... Nope. Oh? Oh yeah, you could jump. Come on! Yes! I'm gonna fall down a lot. No! Oh no! I shrunk. I have to keep pressing left and right, left and right. No! I pressed up, but it didn't work. Let me try this side now. Well, at least I did something. Okay. Damn it. I knew I'd really need this save point. Oh, this is getting annoying. Okay, I could easily pass this. Why aren't I jumping? There we go. I'm just gonna mosey on along. Okay, I could do this too. Okay, I think I'm gonna whoop, 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 whoop. No! Why? This place is gonna be my friend, I can assure you that. I'm not sure why this is so tricky to me. But I think I'm doing a bit better than I did when I was playing it at school, so that does show you how bad I am at these games. No, like this. Yes. Okay, no, yes. Okay, that, what I did before is the right call. Wait for this to... Okay. No, why, no. What the heck? Why does it keep doing that? Probably because I'm not using the right... Well, these are the right arrow keys on my laptop. Yeah, they are right. Guess we're just gonna have to deal with that. Oh, can I... Oops, I can't even go up. Why aren't I jumping? There we go. Jump. 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 No. I'm gonna have to wait. Waiting. We have to be patient. How many minutes have I spent on this level? How many minutes have I spent on this? How many unnecessary? No. I want to keep my plumpiness. Stay. Stay. Good slime. Okay. No, we missed our cue. We went a bit early. Oh no, what do we do? Hopefully it doesn't come up any... Yes. 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 We did it. Hopefully next level doesn't take me that long. Oh, I remember this level. You bet I was dying so much on it. I don't think I'm going to be any better on this level, honestly. But, oops, I wasted a jump for nothing. Whee. Whee. Okay, not bad. Oh, should I collect that disc? No, what are you doing? Don't stop. What am I doing? Whee. 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 Oh, the checkpoint. No, get the checkpoint. Ooh. No, yes. Oh no. What am I doing? Jump. No. Yes. Yes. No, yes, no. No. Yes. Ooh. Okay, one checkpoint, another checkpoint. No. Okay. We went so far without dying. I'm honestly proud of myself for making it this far. And I thank my parents. I don't want to thank my parents for that. Come on, slime. We have no time. Okay, that was my fault, honestly. Well, at least I did better than I thought at the first part. Yes. Uh-huh. Yes. No. I'm gonna mix this. Ooh. Trying to play without looking. And we got it. It was so close to being one. Actually, was not that close to being one take. Let's keep it moving. So, what do we do? Are we going there? Guess we could go either way. Actually, no, I can't yet. Maybe. I move to push the slime. That's already what I've been doing. Oh, I see, I see. Oh, this blocks my way. Oh well. Well, forget those discs. They're only gonna waste my time. Well, but I also need to... Wait a minute. Oh, to push the slime. Wait, I don't get it. Press down and move to push the slime. Well, yes, I know this, but how does that help with this? Oh! Wait, I wouldn't do that again. I may regret it. I thought you shrink instantly. Oh! Ah! that makes sense. Okay, I'm gonna go this way then. And hopefully I don't press the down button again by accident. Okay. So I can't go there. Whee! Let's keep it pushing. But then I don't get it. How come I stayed big that one time? I don't think I transformed. I just stayed big when I pushed it down. Maybe that was a glitch in the system. I will try not to touch the deadly spikes. Woo. What? I clearly did not touch that. Okay. 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 What? No, my jumping was off. No. Okay, that was my fault maybe. No, don't pause. Okay, I know what to do. And jump. And no, yes. Let's go down. And a checkpoint, so things are definitely gonna happen. Things like death, maybe. No, what are you doing? Now. This makes me want to play that like rubber game I played before. How many levels are there on this? I want to know. Okay, this isn't going as bad as it did before, I must say. I think that's what I must do. No. I think I keep accidentally pressing shift. Can I get that one or not? I don't think I can, so I will leave it. Is there any point in trying? Oh, I pressed down and it still did that thing. Okay, have to play this one carefully. Come on, I got that. Woo. Okay. Okay, that wasn't too hard. Step into the gravity board to reverse gravity. Okay. Oh. Whatever. Okay. Okay, I got it. I got it! I got it! Yes. No! I was so close. I wasn't even that close for that one. This is gonna get annoying. I mean, it's already gone annoying, and I fear it may be my fault. I'm not speaking loud enough. This is the thing, I can't say those little mumbling thoughts we all have when we die in a game. Oops. Okay. Wait, we have to go from there? No. Oh. Okay. Yes. Okay, I think we have to jump like this. And we're done. I'm not doing as badly as I thought I would. I remember this game being very difficult, and I haven't practiced it like since then, like played it a lot. I remember that acid thing took me ages, like with the purple acid. I guess you can't break that wall. No. Keep pressing the down button. Oh. What do I need to do? I can't break that wall, so I guess I need to go down. Down we go. Or maybe if I don't press the down button. Okay. Do not press the down button, and do not die here. Okay. And I go back and not die, hopefully. Oops, there we go again. Let's hope I don't die on these simple things. Sometimes a bigger body makes things harder. Yes. Don't press the down button. I have to keep a wary eye out. I think I'm nearly done anyway. Oh, this slime is so cute. Well, thank you, Blob. Now I have to decrease my size and win this thing. Slide through the spinning circles, do not stretch too much. Oh yeah, I kept dying when I stretched on these. They're hard, okay. Okay, I'm inside. Well, I was perfectly inside that one. Whee! Okay. Damn it. Come on. Okay. Okay. No. Yes, no. What am I doing wrong? I don't remember this level, actually. But I do remember always like bursting because I stretched too much. Okay. Damn it, I was so close. So close. Okay, duck and inside and don't duck. Down, through. Okay, I'm not gonna press anything, just gonna wait until it reaches this side. Now down and through. No. Wow. I'm literally dodging them. No, I'll go down. No, I can't. I was literally dodging them. Now this way. Whee. Okay, down, in. Okay, if I could perfect this, I may be able to do it without dying much. But for what am I even saying? Perfection takes time. It's not something you can rush. And we have to play the patient waiting game for this one. Oops, I missed my turn because I was talking. Okay. Why? Anyway, I think when this level ends, I'm gonna be done. How many levels? And I spent like 30 minutes. Oops, I missed my turn again. I wasn't paying attention. Okay. Okay, how do we do this one? This is the one I keep dying on. Okay, maybe I should wait some more. Yeah, when it's up, maybe. Yeah, like this. No? No! Why? That is annoying. Get out of my way, laser. I don't have time for you. Okay. Yeah, I shouldn't rush this. Whee. At least I've been kind of close with the laser. Okay. Why? I'm getting worse and worse on this. This is so annoying. Stop. I am not pausing. You're gonna make me lose my game. Okay. Now, slide in. Okay, what is the technique for this one? I think I'm going to be as close to the edge as possible. I'm just going to rush this one. Risky game, especially for me. Okay. No, why? Am I not being quick enough? Okay. No. I'm getting worse and worse. Okay, can we do this? Can I do this? I'm not sure I can, but I don't think I ever got to this level. I think I got fed up, or I kept dying. I couldn't get past a certain level, and so I quit. Not sure which level I quit on, but I quit, and then I played the second game, which I can play if you guys want. I could also try and complete this. No way! I mean, and by complete this, I mean the whole game. We did it! I did it! Luck was on my side. Should I play one more level? No, I'll play that next time. Thank you very much for watching. I don't even know what level this is, honestly. Wait, so does that mean I have to restart the levels? Yeah, this thing doesn't have that menu level thing, so I think I always had to restart it, and that could be a bit frustrating. But if you want to see me play more levels, please like, comment, subscribe, and I will. And tell me if you want me to play the second game, or you know, complete this first, then the second game. Thank you for watching. I hope you could hear me this whole time. I wasn't speaking loud enough this whole time, but thank you and bye.